Hi, today I'm running here POCO X5 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound and vibration section. To change notifications, ringtones or alarms, you should tap on the section and then just select one from the available sounds. If you want to change the volume of the media, ringtone or alarms, you should just slide to the left or to the right side these volume panels. In sound assistance section, we can change the media sound in multiple apps, multiple audio sources, and allow the speaker sounds. So just to use these options or to turn them off, we should just click on the switchers. So let's go back. If you wanna use the silent mode or to silence media in silent mode, you should tap on the switchers. Here we'll see the don't disturb mode section. We can just turn it on or turn it off. In additional settings, we can just turn on or turn off the dial button, stop sounds, play sounds when the device is locked, just screenshot uninstalling app sounds, deletion item sounds, charging sounds, and startup sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. Let's go back. We got here also the vibration section. To use vibration for calls or to vibrate in silent mode, we should tap on the switchers, and to use vibrate on top, we should just switch off to light, medium or strong section. And in sound effects, we can just switch it from smart to music, video, voices, and if you want to use the your buttons just to change volume to if you wanna use the headphones just to control the volume level or to change the music, you should just switch it here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.